or surrounded by beautiful hanging baskets, which must mean we are out at French Prairie Gardens, and you guys have great baskets. And, you know, they're ready to go, but you have a little different combos coming up this year.
Oh, yeah, we do. We're always known for our hanging baskets. We've spent a lot of time putting some thoughts into our combinations and try to change them up every year. So this year we did a few with some small little dahlias in the center. It's always a favorite when some of our ladies come out to create their own, so we thought we'd do it for them.
Right. And I saw, you know, you even have some with upright like the coleus.
Oh yeah, people are really into the foliage this year, so we thought we'd throw in some coleus and some of the smaller fine flowers like the lobelias and the biddens and the million bells, and it's just going to be gorgeous.
Right. And I was just looking at this, you know, this petunia is just stunning. It looks like it's been bleached out.
It does, it does. It's a new one this year. It's called Crystal Sky. It's a sister or a cousin to the night sky, the one that's purple with all the white dots. So
right.
We have, I think, 4 different kinds of the spotted petunias this year.
And, you know, the number of combinations that you guys do is staggering.
Yes, we do. We have, I think, almost 70 varieties of just the sun small mix, and then probably about 30 of the larger ones, and we have them in shade, we have them in city baskets, you name it, even in single combinations as well.
Right. And, you know, people can come out and get the baskets here, but you also have a fun event coming up too that you guys are known for.
So we've always done our ladies' night. It's always been the end of March, beginning of April, and unfortunately we can't do the night with a lot of people, but we're going to have Ladies' Day, and
right.
People can come and sign up, and they can have 2 hours here, and they can create their own basket. We'll have our plant show and tell set up. They kind of have their own little personal class with the farmers.
Which is super fun because they get to come out and create their own unique.
Exactly. We'll give them a class and teach them how to do it. They can look at our baskets for inspiration, and then we'll have a tent in the area that they can have just with their people. And of course, we always have our drinks and our food available.
Right. And it's a little bit different this year for people that have come out in the past. What do they need to know about it this year?
Well, they need to book online ahead of time because we're only doing so many people per 2-hour sessions, and it will be on a Saturday and Sunday, the 10th and 11th. And so they can come, reserve, get their girlfriends or whoever they feel safe to be with, reserve that time, purchase the class, and then basically show up before, and we'll show them what to do.
Right, and it's always a great event. It's it's a lot of fun. So you'll want to make sure you do get online ahead of time and book those tickets. So for more information about that, I'm assuming it's all over your website.
It is definitely, yes.
And is that the best place for them to sign up?
Website, yeah, or through our Facebook page, either or.
Okay. So for more information on the event, for Ladies' Night, or for any of the other beautiful baskets and plants that they have out here at French Prairie, make sure you go to their website, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over. So we are always so inspired to be out here and ready for spring.
Oh,
so
thank you.